to bake. So in honor of Sweet Magnolias dropping tomorrow, I'm going to be making Chef Erik's brownies. What? Here's what you gotta do.
2 cups of sugar, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour in a shape of your choice, 3/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of melted butter, cooled a bit, 5 eggs waiting to be beaten, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1.5 cups of chopped walnuts, 6 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips. I love Ghirardelli. Love it.
Mix the first 4 ingredients in a large bowl. Now we have our beaten eggs. I'm going to add in the butter and the vanilla, and we whisk. Now combine the wet and dry ingredients into the large bowl. Make sure you do not over whisk. Mix and whisk in one word. Now I'm going to add in walnuts, chopped, and 6 ounces of chocolate chips. So now we're going to grease the pan. I just like to use good old-fashioned butter. Now we're going to pour our batter into our 13 by 9 by 2 buttered pan. Now you're going to want to make sure that this is all level across the pan. And now we're going to bake it. So now we're going to bake this uncovered in a preheated 350-degree oven. 30 minutes. Go. And now we wait and eat the remaining batter. Time to lick the bowl clean. So good. I'm a chocoholic. It's amazing. Amazing. On what seems like the longest Monday ever because I'm waiting for Sweet Magnolias, it's only been 30 minutes, and look! The brownies are done! Woo! So now we take them out and let them cool for about 20 to 30 minutes. To make sure they're done, I'm gonna poke them with a thing. What are they called? I'm blanking. My mind is just exploding right now. Toothpick! Call it a toothpick. Now we poke it. No batter? We're good. It's done. Now we let it cool for 20 to 30 minutes. Okay guys, I know this is supposed to be for tomorrow, but I can't wait, so I'm gonna dig in now. Taste test. That's what it is, it's a taste test. Okay, let's try it. Get a little bit of brownie, a little bit of chocolate chip, and a little bit of walnut. It's as good as the batter. You can see all the walnuts.